Hello guys, I am from Gaugras Maths Hub. Today I shall discuss about bullets proof lever to crack quadratic equation. Let a quadratic equation, let a quadratic equation be in form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then its discriminant b square minus 4ac equal to 0 or whole square then middle term splitting method is applied. Let us take an example. Here I shall take an example that 1 x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Now verify b. It will become b square minus 4ac equal to, here you can see the value of b will be the coefficient of x, that is minus 3 b square minus 4, value of a is here plus 1 and value of c is minus 10. This will become 9 minus 4, 9 plus 4, 10 equal to 9 plus 40 equal to 49 equal to 7 a whole square. This means that this quadratic equation can be solved through middle term splitting method. What to do? What will do in this case? Here you take the coefficient of x square. Here write the coefficient of x square plus 1. Write here plus 1. And thereafter write in another bracket minus 10. That is, you can see here constant plus 10 is there. Write here plus 10 as a constant. Both will be multiplied. This will become minus 10 equal to. Now just below minus 10, write here minus 3. Now here you can see coefficient of x square is plus 1. Here write in bracket plus 1. After that multiplication time sign will be there. And here you will write in bracket the content value. Here you can say content value is plus 10. Here write plus 10. In between multiplication sign will be there. After that plus 1 and minus 10 will be multiplied together. The result will be minus 10. And just below minus 10, write coefficient of x, that is minus 3. Here 8 minus 3. Now what we'll do here, make 4 boxes like this. Now here multiplication sign, in first row you can see multiplication sign. Here multiplication is sign is fixed here. Here sign will be either plus or minus. That sign will depend on this value minus. Now do the prime factors of 10 here. Do the prime factor of 10. Since this value is 10, this value you can see here 10. So do the prime factors of 10, you will get like this. 2, 5. Over here you will get 5. Here you will get 1. The prime factors of 10 will be 5 and 2. So here you write 5. Here you write 2. Now, if you have written here 5, here write also 5, here write 2. Now adjust the thing here. Here you can see minus 10 is there. And here you can see minus 3 is there. So what to do in this case? Here put minus, here put minus. Here you put plus, here put here plus. Now what operations you will do here in order to get minus 3? In order to get minus 3, I will put here plus. Now basic fundamental thing is there. Whatever value with sign comes here, the same value with sign will also come here. Here you can see in vertical column minus 5 is there. Here minus 5 will come. And also here you can see in second column plus 2 is there. Here plus 2 will 100% come. Now get the thing verify. Here we put the multiplication sign. Both will multiply together. That will become minus 10. If you put here plus, then minus 5 plus 2 make minus 3. Now middle term minus 3x can be splitted easily. Let us see. Here write the original quadratic equation 1x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Here I have written the original quadratic equation plus 1x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. In this case, the middle term is minus 3x. From this place you have got this middle term minus 3x will be splitted into two parts as minus 5x plus 2x. Just simply suffix here x, here also suffix here x. Now middle term minus 3x has been splitted into two parts minus 5x plus 2x. Imply that x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. Imply that x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. Now here you can see in first term and second term. In first term x is multiplied to, and in also in second term x has been multiplied to. So what we'll do here, take here x as a common, in bracket it will become x minus 5, and again here you will take 2 as a common, in another bracket it will become x minus 5 equal to 0. Now here you can see x minus 5 is there, here also x minus 5 is there. In both terms x minus 5 are there. So here you can take x minus 5 as a common. X minus 5 will be common. It will come in x minus 5 will come in one bracket, in another bracket it will come x plus 2. Guys, this is the factorization of quadratic equation x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. That factors will be x minus 5 and x plus 2 equal to 0. Now comes out to what value of zeros will be. The value of zeros you can take from here. Put x minus 5 equal to 0, implied that x equal to 5, and also here put x plus 2 equal to 0, implied that x equal to minus 2. Zeros will be 5 in one bracket, in another bracket minus 2. Okay guys, thanks.